Husqvarna 560 XP steps into the job with the attitude of a chainsaw built for high speed. The engine sound roars rapidly. The chain blade rushes forward powerfully and bites deep into each log, one after another. When it has to handle many trees in a short time, this machine clearly shows its flexibility, quick throttle response, and very impressive cutting rhythm. Sawdust flies with every clean cut, while the operator almost never lets the working pace slow down. This is the kind of chainsaw that makes viewers clearly feel its power, speed, and mechanical performance pushed to the maximum. Showing the toughness, durability, and character of a legendary chainsaw. Very impressive moments. Too close. Oh my God. That's insane. Beast. The Raptor 7 commercial log splitter attacks hardwood with a bold mechanical presence. Its hydraulic controls, lift table, and outfeed conveyor create a smarter workflow. Unlike simpler splitters, this beast feeds, splits, and clears wood with control. Every cycle feels fast, stable, The moments when those wooden trunks are pulled out by the roots are the most impressive moments. Husqvarna 560 XP steps into the job with the attitude of a chainsaw built for high speed. Log one after another. When it has to handle many trees in a short time, this machine clearly shows its flexibility. Quick or almost never lets the working pace slow down. Performance pushed to the maximum. These are the risky moments when you use a ladder to cut down trees.
The man climbs the tree with a
tightly onto the rough bark. At the cutting point, he pauses.
There it goes.
And well. The saw bites deep into wood, yet his hands stay steady. He keeps watching the fall direction, open space and balance. That is safe, durable work with highly impressive efficiency. That is the moment we must admire the loggers who always stay in control while they work. Smooth, powerful, rugged. The 30T to 37T log splitter uses a Briggs & Stratton engine around 7.5 to 10 horsepower. That power helps deliver strong splitting force and faster log handling. Compared with the previous machine, it feels stronger, tougher, and more stable. Good performance, especially with very large logs.
Ooh, I got it. All right, so that wedge, that's a thing of ham.
Shaking my head. The tree started falling, but its balance shifted backward. It crashed straight into the white fence. My heart dropped.
Oh no, it's on your fence!
You can see it. This machine is using all of its power to process all of the wood currently there. The only weakness of this machine is that it can only handle logs of moderate length, not very large ones. Look at how the workers have mastered their skills as they leave after cutting down the old giant trees. With $50,000, it can give you a highly effective wood processing solution. The Easton-made EVO firewood processor comes with a 40 horsepower engine and 30 tons of splitting force. The 12-way wedge and the strong, hardened teeth easily split the logs apart. The efficiency it brings is very amazing, and that cannot be denied with this machine. Do not make a mistake while doing this job. Correct judgment helps you avoid choosing the wrong falling direction of the tree and causing very serious consequences. The Easton-made Axis is a very praiseworthy log splitter because it is strong, compact, and works very decisively. The gas Axis version uses a 23 horsepower Vanguard EFI engine, and the company is also selling the Axis Diesel as a separate version. What makes the machine attractive is its very fast 2.5-second cycle time, unique vertical design, wide working table, and very professional operating feel. This is the kind of machine that clearly shows toughness, speed, and high efficiency at first sight. Cutting at a height of 80 meters above the ground is truly not simple. but it is not a problem for workers equipped like pilots getting ready to board a plane. Terminator. The Ponce Scorpion King H7 has about 286 horsepower, born for the deep forest. Its hydraulic arm reaches far, grips firmly, then cuts the huge tree trunk cleanly. The 8-wheel system keeps good balance on difficult and steep forest ground. It works decisively, accurately, and truly enhances work efficiency. Amazing. From rough wood, the craftsman already saw the vase shape. He measured carefully, marked clearly, then removed the extra sections. Next, he turned the body, shaping smooth and balanced curves. Very skillful. True expertise. Every tool pass looked highly precise. The vase neck was refined carefully, and the base aligned. After that, he sanded repeatedly for a smooth, glossy surface. Finally, the finish made the wood colors stand out beautifully. That is how labor turns rough wood into grand artwork. The workers should have paid closer attention to the falling direction before cutting. But now, the tree has already been cut and cannot stand there. So when beautiful wooden houses are located in a planned clearance area and must be demolished, let's see what the cat crane machine can do. It looks easy, but for unprofessional people, it is not okay at all. Let's see. Cutting wood in a workshop is not as complicated as cutting it yourself in the forest. The convenience of having a good wood processing solution will bring many benefits to reliable wood manufacturers.